In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can change your Instagram name. So follow the step. And first thing after you open up your Instagram, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, it's going to bring you on your Instagram profile. And on your Instagram profile, click on where it says edit profile at the top. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. And at the top, you can see this option called the name. If you want to change the name, just click on name. And it's going to bring you over here where you guys can change your name. But you need to remember this, you can only change your name once every 14 days. So if I change my name into something else, let's say I change it from Witchy Kevin to Witchy only. So I cannot change my name again for the upcoming 14 days. After 14 days, I can change it. But for the upcoming 14 days, I cannot. So once you're over here, just type the name which you like and click on done at the top right. Once you click on done, it's going to take you out. And once you're in this page, click on done again at the top right. And your setting will be confirmed saved and your name will be changed on your Instagram. So that's how you guys can change your name on Instagram. Now this is how you guys can change your name. Do not get confused with username and name. For username, the steps are different. So I will make a different video for username. So hit the subscribe to our channel, want the step. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then everybody. See you guys next time with more Instagram related videos just like this.